All right, we have the goblet squat, also known as the gobby, and it's the progression from the air squat. So we're gonna grab a kettlebell and we're gonna flip it upside down so that we have our hands either side of the handle. And what we're gonna do here is the easiest way to add a little bit of load to the air squat so we can start to increase the intensity and progressively overload the air squat, and also help with the counterbalance for someone who may not be able to get deep into that air squat. So, holding the kettlebell out in front, we're just gonna hinge like we did for the air squat. The bum goes back, just pausing there to start with if you're a beginner, making sure your knees are in the right position, and then we can start to slide down from there. Making sure we get down nice and deep. The elbows will be inside the knees so we can drive them out if needed. And you can see he's got weight distributed through his toes, his midfoot, and his heel there. His chest is tall, and if he can, he's gonna lift his elbows up and hold there. So if you wanna get really good at this position, you're just gonna hold in that bottom position and then standing tall, extending the hips. So the most common problem with the goblet squat is coming onto your toes. So lacking that hip hinge early on is gonna make sure that he's on his toes, which we don't want. We want him to be on his heels a bit more. So standing tall, the easiest way to combat that is by overcompensating that hinge, pausing in the hinge, and then making sure we get deep and our weight's distributed through our heels.